who have never been in a snowstorm. I have my snow things on my shoes. See down there. So I won't fall and break my boot. Okay, ready for this? Oh my gosh. Here we go. Ooh. So here we go. I'm the only one at work. Oh my god. Look how deep it is. Okay. So I'm going to try to get to my car without falling and breaking my keister. Oh my goodness. Here we go, here we go. Oi, oi, oi. So there's my car. It seems so far away. Well, on the good note, it looks like the windshields are blown. Oh my gosh. So, oh my gosh, you see this? Ugh. Throw my stuff in the car. Start the car, if I can. You people in Miami have to count your blessings. Thank God it started. Ugh. Okay, so there we go. Then Alright, wait, go. Here we go. Let's see if the battery will last. My glasses are frozen. Okay, I'll take them off. Look at the mailman. They really do come no matter what weather it is. Chrissy has to come out and move her car. But I made it home. Yay! Look at Chrissy. She looks like the bottom of snowman. She looks like a yenta too. Explain to you how cold my fingers are. Oh my god. You see that? Like, there's so circulation in my fingers. Alright, girlfriend, move your car. Here she is. What? Help! I'm freezing to death!